Earn from $100 to $1,000 every time you deliver a top design without any skills. Most people are using this strategy to make passive income every day. That's why in this video I'll be revealing how to start using this free AI tool to earn money online in 2023. There are popular platforms out there like ScoreHelp, where startup companies are willing to pay you $300 to $500 to create a branding name for their companies. You can do this without being a naming expert, just by using this free AI platform I'm about to share with you. With this AI, you can generate an entire business name for a startup company. It provides you with varieties of options to choose from just by telling your business information, and it also gives you a customized name logo for each company name it provides. So if you're having difficulty coming out with a business name, or you feel yours is not catchy enough, then you should consider checking out Nameless AI for your unique business name and professional logo. To get started with Nameless AI, you enter a keyword that's related to your company and you click Generate. You select the kind of style you want and you click Next. Here you get to select if you want your name generation to be more direct or more creative idea, or to have a more varied result, and you click Next. Then you write a one-sentence description about your company and you click Generate. Nameless will generate this catchy business name for you, and also by clicking on the name it provides, Nameless will get to tell you if the domain name is available, the meaning behind the name, and also it provides with an alternative name. This is just an AI that can help you with business name and logo design. How about full branding? Popular companies on Upwork are willing to pay you up to $500 for a full branding design. And you don't have to be a graphic designer to do this, because most people out there are using this simple strategy I'm about to share with you to make passive income every day. You could do the same by using this free AI platform. This AI generates an ultimate branding for your company just by providing your business name, and it will generate from logo, business card, poster, mock-up, anything branding you ever think of. So if you're thinking of a fast way to create a full branding design for your client, then you should consider checking Looker AI. Looker is an AI platform where you can generate your own logo and branding stuff easily. It's for businesses and individuals who want a professional looking logo fast without using any complicated software. To get started with Looker, you have to provide your company name, your type of industry, select the kind of design you like for inspiration, choose your color, then the AI generates this custom logo for you. And it doesn't stop there. This AI platform gives a full branding essential with over 100 branding and customized design for your logo, where you have access to custom business card, letterhead, social media cover, and more. Or if you're looking for a design for social media marketing, this platform provides you anything from social media posts, flyer, invoice, presentation, proposal, and so much more. And if you're not satisfied with the logo and you still want to change the style, Looker provides a suggestion option where you can choose any other style you like, or you could click on the layer option to change the structure of the logo, or you could select this palette option to change the color. This is just for design and branding. What if you're interested in content creation? There are companies that will pay you up to $1,000 just to develop a content for their website, blog, and social media posts. And you don't need to have a degree to be qualified. I don't need to pay that private tutor to teach you how to. All you need is Copy.ai. Copy.ai is an AI platform that assists you in copywriting and content creation. It's almost like having an assistant that can generate any text you want. You use Copy.ai for your blog. You provide your blog name and your blog description. Then you choose your desired tune, and the AI system generates the content idea for your blog post. This AI also helps with product description, social media posts, and so much more. Writing an article is made easy with Copy.ai because it provides a great tool you can use to start up your blog article and conclude it with ease. Copy.ai can save user time and effort in creating written content from scratch. It provides a convenient solution for those who may be struggling with copywriting or need inspiration and ideas for their content. Now you know an AI that can generate a business name, a logo, and content creation. How about an AI that can generate a website? With this, you can earn up to $1,000 just to design a custom website for these companies in this platform. You don't need to be a website designer to do this, because this AI I'm about to show to you can create a website in 30 seconds. If you're looking for a fast way to build a website and start making money fast, then you should consider using Doable AI. Doable AI generates an entire website within 30 seconds. All you need to do is to input your website name and the type of service you offer, and it will generate a cool looking custom template for you. It will generate a website image that matches your services with high ranking description, your location, and even a testimony page. Doable offers a marketing tool which can help to analyze your website and track your visitors' behaviors. It can help to generate content for your website with high ranking SEO results, and even help in creating eye-catching social media posts. Speaking of SEOs, do you know companies are willing to pay you up to $500 to $1,000 for SEOs? This company wants to rank higher in search engine so they can sell their product faster or get more audience engagement. Because of this, they take SEOs as one of the crucial things to do in their company. But with this AI platform called Writesonic, you can start delivering SEOs for any top companies fast. Writesonic is an AI platform that generates written content for things like blog articles, social media posts, and product description. Writesonic is equipped with a wide variety of AI tools which you could use to boost your content. And you can find the one for SEOs in website copy category, where you have different SEO tools you can use to high rank your website. In order to use this, you write your company name, your product name, a brief description about your website, then you click generate, and to provide you with top SEOs for your website. With this method, you can apply to all these companies seeking for help in SEOs or start offering your service on Fiverr and start making passive income every week. Click the link on the description if you want to experience this powerful AI. Like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.